pilot who is in red. Just answer me, sir, ha? How many years ka nang nag-drive? Okay lang.
10 years na,
10 years na. Wow. And so far, no, wala mo yung mga dautan. Wala po.
Wala, disgrasya.
Oo, wala po.
Wala man po, challenge ko, no?
Ay, salamat. So, nagaganahan ko ani kay ang yang ilang daw, ilang uniform, pula. So, pareha mi ni sir. Pula mi. Akong pilot ron. So, yeah. Okay lang, sir. Shout out to your friends. Nakaano kami, traffic ngayon. So, we are not violating, naka-stop. Yeah, here in Davao, if it is 7 o'clock to 8, usually the traffic is so heavy. Because when we describe traffic, it's the moving of the vehicles. There should always be an adjective. So we are stopping now. Usually, because of the traffic light also. So I got the taxi as much as I'm in a hurry to be back also tonight in Davao City. This is my a day in Davao City, sharing you my wonderful new life, new beginning, new chapter. This chosen place which I love, the land of the Dorian City, land of the Eagles, and it's my first time to celebrate Karayawan, August here. Usually I'm here April, May, but not August because it's classes time. December, and God granted my request to be here August, and of course we are already here for our transfer of residence. It's a wonderful morning. God will make a way. I love this taxi ride. The praising songs that was played, they really touched my heart. Especially the one, my favorite song a while ago, God Will Make a Way. It's my favorite praising song. Of course, I love all. But gusto ko talaga katong God Will Make a Way. Paggawa ng paraan si God sa buhay ay proving that. So we are going now. My destination is to Overland, rather Ikulan, Davao Terminal. I need to get a bus ride. We are almost there. Mga ilang minuto ba ang natin travel, ang galing tayo ng Pequeño? So 20 or 20 minutes. Okay lang, sir, introduce your name. Bye bye. Yeah, shout out to your wife, to your kids, to your family. Sir, ano nga pangalan?
Manuel de la Piña, ma'am.
Wow, de la Piña. May de la Piña sa mga Ranwell.
Shout out po sa akong friends,
Saan?
Sa Bintal.
Okay.
Morning sa inyong tanan.
Yeah, morning. Doon raman ang ta. Kay Pequeño raman ko. Unsa ka atong imong first name sa ano ko, de la Piña? Emmanuel. Wow, given by God. Again, we are stuck up with the traffic. You see the taxi there, and they're not moving, the vehicles. Okay, I have a glimpse of my life in Davao City, but I'm enjoying this one. My new life. Okay, so exciting. So, thank you, ha. Nag-vlog man ko, mabuhay dyan. Reels, anak. So, mayong tao ka, kay nga naman.